Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Herndon, Virginia, and I wanted to show you why this roof needs to be removed and replaced. Now here you can see all the keys are in direct alignment with each other. So whoever did this patch was very inexperienced and he had no clue to what he was doing. Now here at the bottom of the skylight, you see this? That's not flashing, that's duct tape. The flashing is, you can't see it. Let me see if I can lift that up. It's tight. That's the flashing right there. So what will happen is when it rains, the water will channel its way through the seam here and then travel underneath the shingles, and the water will seep through the nails that's holding these shingles into place. Oh boy. Yeah, here at the key is all roofing nails exposed. So this is all improperly installed. Somebody put a little dab of cement on it. But all this flashing is all damaged. The skylights are going to have to be removed and replaced. But when you look at the roof, you can see a lot of that granules are missing. So it's an old roof. It's about 20 years old. Also, there's a nail popping through the roof here, and that could eventually cause this skylight to leak as well. I have no clue to what they did here. They put like an ice and water shield. They tried to bring it underneath the shingles, but they didn't. I have no clue to what they're doing, so I'm not even going to go here. And they did the same thing over here. The flashing over here is lifted up. There's no ridge vents going across the top. So all the heat is settling at the highest point, and it's causing this roof to cook from the inside out, and eventually they could develop mold. There's no exhaust vents at all. Satellite dishes, if they don't use them, which I think they do, but if they don't, I would recommend to remove them. You can see they did the same thing here. They put this underneath here. It's going to serve no purpose. Then they cemented it. They put the ice and water shield there. They put a lot of cement on the roof, just putting a problem on top of a problem. Yeah, these two skylights definitely have to be removed and replaced. All right, again, my name is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Herndon and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.